Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Jacqueline, and in today's video we're gonna go over some of the most hyped up MAC Maker lipsticks from 2020. But before we get started, and if you're new here, I hope that you will consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that post notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Also, come and follow me on my Instagram. And now if you want to see more details about these lipsticks and some lip swatches, then just keep on watching. Before I start this video, I wanna show my gratitude to all my subscribers, all the YouTuber creators that have left comments on that video, that they have private messaged me through Instagram or they have emailed me to. I want to thank you so much for your support, for the kind words, for the prayers. On that video I spoke about not only the crisis that we're going through, things that personally affect me because of my restaurant businesses, and as well as things as the current situation with my mom, who is a senior, children, and I know we're all in the same boat and we're gonna get through this together with support, with love, with prayer, with being together. And I hope that this video is uplifting for each of you, that you find a way to get entertained right here and just get a little bit distracted, and that we go through this together. I really look forward to your beautiful comments and whatnot. I want to say one more thing. I'm not too crazy about, okay, let me count how many likes or dislikes I have, but comments, I will delete the comments that they don't come from a happy place. I had to delete 2 comments on the last video that I upload, again talking about the current situation, because they were coming from a bitter place. People that perhaps are coming from really hard situations and they have so much anger on them. I had to delete it because there were things like making fun of what was going on in my life right now, and another one was talking about how that person wishes for my husband to leave me, and that's sad to see those type of comments nowadays, mostly in the situation that the entire humanity is going through. So hopefully nothing of that is repeated, and if something like that gets repeated, believe me, those comments not only will be deleted, but I will be happy to report them to YouTube, because hate should not go around, should not be allowed, should not be permitted. It's not the right time, it's never the right time. We should be together and united. We can really get to a better place. Okay friends, and in today's video I'm super excited because MAC had collaborated with a few influencers and makeup artists around the world with the MAC Maker collection, and I was able to pick up 4 of them, and the ones that I got, I felt very lucky that I was able to get my hands on. One is from one of my favorite makeup artists, and is Hindash. Another one from a big influencer here in YouTube, Rosy McMichael. Then another influencer from Middle East, Maya Ahmad, and then Barbie. I'm pretty sure you know which one is the first lipstick that I want to try on. Yes, you're right, it's the one from Hindash. He's one of my favorite makeup artists, and I like the concept and the idea behind this lipstick. I really will highly suggest you to go to his YouTube channel and watch his reveal video, because he explains the multiple ways that he uses it, what type of lip pencil he likes, and all that jazz. This specific lipstick has a lustrous finish, which means that you can use it very lightly and just get a very, again, light wash of color, or you can build it up to your desire. Let me show you the Unicard. It has this ombre effect, and it has Hindash signature right here. And something that all the 2020 MAC Maker lipstick has in common is a bullet. They are all golden. There's no difference on any of them. Honestly, when I opened Hindash lipstick, I was like, oh my goodness, this color is so intense. It's kind of like a reddish maroon type of shade, but it looks even deeper in person than what it looks on camera. Okay, let's just give it a swatch here. Very creamy formula, so you see right there how light it is, and then you can keep building up the intensity. By the way, I'm filming in natural light, so hopefully you're able to see how this lipstick looks in real life. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and use a very light wash of this color, and I'm gonna be using my Scott Barnes number 60 brush. So here's the lipstick as a very light wash of color. I definitely think it looks super natural, super like, just gives you a little bit of like life to your lips. Super pretty without being too like, ooh, out there. Now Hindash also on his reveal video, he recommended to use this MAC pencil in the shade Spice. Now I'm not gonna use it because I'm trying other products. But another thing that he recommended is that you can use the lipstick as a blush. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but I don't have any blush on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and try his method, and I'm gonna be using this Laura Mercier cheek color brush. And the way he showed it on his video is first apply some of the lipstick on your hand, like so. And then you grab your brush. Now he didn't use this brush, he used another brush. I think it was a MAC brush, obviously, because he's working with MAC. And he just started to build it on the model. Ooh, right away. Now you may be wondering why I'm applying the blush so high up on my cheeks. It's because when year pass and you decide to apply your blush right on the apples of the cheeks, or when you smile, well, that area has already, you know, faced gravity and has gone down. So ideally, you try to place your blush just a little bit up, and it looks a little bit more natural. And I actually like to use a little bit of the blush on my nose, just kind of like what happens when you're out in the sun. When you get a sunburn, you don't get a sunburn, you know, just right here. You actually get it on in the high points of your face, and that's your cheek area, your nose too, and some right here on your forehead. Now I don't go as far as using it on my forehead for most of the time, but at least I just kind of like put a little bit on my nose, whatever is remaining on the brush. I think it looks really cute, very healthy, very glowy. Okay, I'm gonna build it just a little bit more, the lipstick. Using a few more taps, and then just using my finger to tap it. Okay, and this is just build a little more. Now let's go for the full intensity. This is a true cherry color to me, and when I say true cherry, I'm talking about the fruit itself. So when you see the peel of the cherry fruit, that's the shade that you are going to get if you use this full intensity. Now if you take off the peel of the fruit, you will find this very light, kind of like reddish pinkish undertone. Well, that is the exact same result that you will get if you apply it in the lightest way possible. Truly a multifunctional and beautiful lipstick. Next lipstick that I want to try is from Maya Ahmad. I hope I'm pronouncing her last name well, but she is also an influencer from Middle East. Now she has kind of like Hindash, about 900,000 followers, so big influencer out there. If you have watched any of her videos or go to her YouTube channel, some of her content is about beauty and some of her content it's about travel. And she seems to be very simplistic as far as her makeup goes. I mean, she's gorgeous. She's just such a beautiful woman. And this lipstick also has a matte formula. Here's the Unicard. So it has right here on this side part of her face and her lips. Her lips are very pronounced. You will see on her pictures. And I don't know, this is kind of like that nude shade that it seems like has kind of like a peachy undertone. I don't know, immediately as I saw the promo pictures and her using it, I just fell in love with it. Okay, so let's give it a go. Beautiful nude shade with that peach undertone. Definitely a perfect lipstick for spring and summertime. The next lipstick, I'm sure it's gonna be a lipstick that many of you, mostly if you're from the Latin community, you're gonna be waiting for. It's the one from Rosy McMichael. If you don't know who she is, because I mean, like I said, she's Latin and her content on her YouTube is everything in Spanish, but she is a huge influencer with more than 5 million followers. It is incredible. Rosy, she's a sweetheart. She's a beautiful human being. I love to watch her content. She's very sincere, I mean, she's a joy to watch, and her channel is based mainly on reviews. Okay, so I'm sure you want to see it, right? Okay, so here on one side it says Rosy, and on the other side says McMichael. This lipstick actually disappeared in minutes from the website, and the finish of this lipstick is the Amplified Creme. Oh, this feels like a dream. This is a true beautiful pink shade. Okay, and the last influencer is Barbie. She's a map maker, and I love Barbies. Barbies was my ultimate doll, the doll that I grew up with. I had a big collection of Barbies that I adore. Perhaps not the ideal influencer back on the time, but we have seen some changes on the new Barbie dolls that they reflect more of like more realistic what the body of a human can be, mostly of a woman. And anyhow, here she is, and Barbie just takes a very big space in my heart, and I had to get it, so here it is. I think the only thing different from the other bullet lipsticks is the bottom part that has the sticker of the name of each lipstick. On Barbie, it's that hot pink. But different than what we should expect for a Barbie lipstick, take a peek at this. It's not your typical hot pink. I mean, it's a pink color, but it's not the typical Barbie hot pink, not even near to the outer packaging. And this lipstick is in the matte finish, which I wish that it could have been in the Amplify one. Now the color is actually more of a cool tone pink with a little bit of kind of like a, I don't know, kind of like a violet undertone to it. I have gone ahead and swatched them on my arm too. First I have Rosy McMichael, Barbie Maya Ahmad, Hindash One Pass, and then Hindash at its full potential. Okay, my friends, and this is it for this video. I hope that you really enjoy it, that I was able to entertain you and kind of distract you during these times. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share with somebody else that may like this type of videos, and if you haven't done so yet, I would love for you to consider and subscribe to my channel. Also ring the post notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Come and follow me on my Instagram because I will keep you posted whenever there's something new and excited on this beauty industry. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye. I think I forgot to tell you something, but it is very important that Andrea is here. I think she's gonna be part of my videos for right now since she's out of school. But what I forgot to mention it is that these are not the only lipsticks from MAC makers. There are many more with many other influencers around the world, and there's so many beautiful ones. So in MAC Cosmetics USA, there's gonna be a few that they are still available. They are limited edition. Hopefully MAC will bring them back. We don't know. That's something that not even the influencers know. They cost $20 each, and yeah, that's the piece that I forgot, and the most important piece right here it is that Andrea wants to say goodbye, right? You want to say goodbye, Andrea?
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Make your hear thumbs up. Click on subscribe and turn on notifications. See you guys later. 40 years for mom, no school.
Yeah, no school. Bye.